y'all, so I'm back from the store. Well, I've been back for a while, so I'm going to show you. Y'all, no, I didn't wear this bonnet to the store, y'all, but I just slapped it on for the sake of this video because I'm about to put some braids in it going straight back. My phone is on the charger and I'm still using it because I want to go ahead and record this video because y'all know I'm crunching for time and I have not been asleep yet, y'all, since I got off work. I've been up since I got off this morning and I just wanted to do my last minute running around and I still don't think I'm finished. I still think I have a few more things to get. I need to get on this checklist and see what else I need. So this stuff is from Target. I did a curbside pickup and I got a laundry bag, which I know I'm gonna need this for my dirty clothes. I have Lysol. I have the Lysol. This is the Lysol to go. And y'all, I was on antibiotics for the men. I'm sorry, TMI, but I was on antibiotics and it gave me a little yeast infection or something. I don't know exactly. It did something to me, but I'm irritated. Okay, so I bought some Vagisil for the irritation. What this to take with me. And I got some poise pads. If you know, you know. So I got these. I'm not gonna take the whole thing, but I'm gonna take a few. I'm gonna take a lot. I got some straws because they said bring your own straws because the Carnival cruise has candy straws and they melt in the drink or whatever. So I'm going to take these. Got some toothpaste, some Colgate toothpaste, the Opti White, got that. And I got a Ace bandage, y'all, because this foot be acting up. So I got this. So I'm gonna wrap this when I get out the shower tonight. Wrap this around my foot when I get out the shower tonight. I got some C-bands just in case I get sick. They said this is good for the nausea, motion sickness, morning sickness, chemotherapy-induced nausea, anesthesia-related nausea. This is good for that. So, I got that. That's the first bag. I got some wipes, which I should have got two. I didn't realize that the package was going to be this small, but I just really needed to wipe the room down, sanitize the room and the bathroom when I get there, the cabin. So it's only 9 wipes in here, so I got to let this stretch. So that's that. And I got a wrinkle release because I got a couple of dresses that I'm pretty sure is like really, really wrinkled right now. Oh, they got a $2 coupon on here for next time. Okay, and I got some Good Molecules. I have ran out. This is drops for the face. And I got some Vaseline. I love to keep Vaseline on me. And I got some hand sanitizer. So that's all that I bought. And I went and got my tripod from my daughter's house. I had left my tripod over there, so I need this to go with me. I'm going to put that in my carry-on bag. Well, both of my bags are carry-on, so I don't know how that works. Can I take both of my bags on the plane? I haven't been on the plane in so long, I forgot. So I got this Tresemme to hold down my wig unit, but I thought it was a small bottle, y'all, because it was so inexpensive. So I hope I could take this. I'm put it in my suitcase. But yeah, if I have to throw it away, I just have to throw it away. But yeah, I got that. And I just bought some flip-flops from Old Navy, some to wear in the shower. This all they had in my size, y'all. This is my first time seeing this make that they have. I know they had the regular kind of slides, but they had these, so I just got these. They were $6.99. Just some shower shoes. And I forgot I have this lotion here. And I think that's all I got, y'all. I stopped over there to see the kids by my daughter's house. I went over there to see them for a little while. I was over there for a long time, in fact. And is that all I got? I think so. I got me, I went to Walmart and I got a tank top. This is the tank top that I'm going to wear with the 2 outfits that I have. And I bought one, so I'm going to wear it both days. If, you know, They're not gonna be consecutive days, but I'm gonna wear both of them. You know what I mean? And I bought these to wear with my dresses. Just some cheap tennis shoes. They are comfortable too, y'all. They have a really, really, really soft inside. So I got these just to wear with my shoes. My 2 dresses. And y'all, that is it. That's all I got. So I'm gonna go take this into the room so I can start packing. And yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Okay, bye. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. So I am up and ready to go. I am waiting. My son get off at 6, so he's gonna pick me up. And yeah, we're gonna get out of here, y'all. But he's not taking me to the airport. My daughter is. I was gonna drive my car, but I'm not. My daughter's just gonna drop me off. And yeah, y'all, so I was just hopping on. This stuff that I got right here, I'm pretty sure they're gonna make me throw this away, so I probably won't take it. I was trying to see if I had another spray bottle to put this in, but I don't. So yeah, there are 9 times out of 10 they're gonna make me throw this away because it's not travel size, and I thought it was when I ordered it, but whatever, it's okay. Maybe when I get to Miami, I'll go to a Walmart or something. I'll probably have to Uber, but that's okay too. Yeah. So, all right, y'all. So I would just hop in every now and then and show y'all some stuff. And yeah, let's get started with these videos. Bye. Okay, y'all. So I found this heat protecting spray. So I'm going to take this and pour it in here. I'm going to pour this out because I don't plan on flat ironing my hair, my natural hair anymore. Because every time I do that, y'all, my hair smells so burnt. That's why I stopped flat ironing. And I like when the way my hair looks when it's flat ironed, but it just it don't smell right. So therefore I stopped doing it. So I got this. I'm gonna spray what's left out, the residue. I'm gonna spray it out. Make sure it's none in here. And I'm gonna spray that in here. So that worked out just fine. I went through a couple of my boxes. That's how I found it. So I'm gonna have to throw this away. And I don't even know if this is good to lay down a lace, but I didn't want to get that big old got-to-be glue. I didn't want to get that. That's a huge can. I definitely would have to throw that away. And I don't wear wigs every day, so I didn't want to get that huge can. I knew I was going to do that. But yeah, y'all, this will work. This will last me 6 days because I'll be going for 6 days in total. But the cruise is only 4 days, so there you go. Worked itself out, didn't it? So yeah, I'm about to go take my stuff downstairs, and my son should be getting here any second now because he just worked up the street. He'll be texting in a minute like, you ready, lady? So yeah, y'all, like I said, I will keep y'all posted. And I forgot to tell y'all, I did, well, in the last video, I didn't mention that I got my teeth pulled, but I did. I did. Y'all see me at the dentist, but I did get my teeth pulled. And they didn't pull 3, they pulled 2. So he pulled the 2 that was next to each other up here. And then he gonna get that one. That's my wisdom tooth right here. And then I'll be good to go. I don't got no teeth back up here, but he said I can get a bridge or something like that. So we'll work on that next. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. And yeah, safe travels to me. Bye. Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. This is the closet, and in this closet it have a safe right there. And yeah, it's really nice. Okay, this is the little bar coffee area. There's nothing under here but some shelves, y'all. That's my luggage. This is it. The TV, got a desk, little couch. Oh, have a little refrigerator right there. That's cute enough. And this is Miami, y'all. This is Miami. It's really, really pretty out there. Okay, and that is the bed. Okay. That's the front door. And here's the restroom. Okay, mirror. Really small, but it's cute. Big enough for me, y'all. It's just me. Let me see. That's that. So that is that, y'all. This is the room, and I am about to charge my phone, take a shower, order me something to eat, and I'm going to chill for the rest of the night. I don't have to be at the port until, what time do I have to be there? I have to be at the port at 11 o'clock tomorrow, so I'm going to leave here early. Like, I think I'm like 15 minutes away if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah. I have to check in between 11 and 11:30. So I'm going to leave here about 10:45, something like that. I'll order me a Uber. And yeah, y'all, that is it. And I will talk to you guys later. This might be the end of this video. If it is, I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And love y'all. Bye.